Hi guys, it's me again, Tom from On the Business Portal, and I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial of what the back end looks like on your side, and how you can view different carts for different customers and different company locations. So this is the landing page slash home page you get when you install the app. If we go for try and search for a company location, which you can also find in these nav links here. We'll actually use the nav links route. So search company locations. Here it gives me a default list of company locations that I can choose from. I'm just going to, for testing's sake, use 26 Whitman Way location. And you can see this company location has 3 carts assigned to it. We're going to go for the biggest cart for this location. So we go to view cart. You can see that the cart has 3 different items in it. You can see the staff member that made the cart, their details here, so you can get in contact with them. And if you wanted to, if you want a phone call with them or do an email correspondence or a live chat, you could also add items to their cart via the back end for them. So we're gonna go add selected items to cart, and you can see that updates in live time. So just to prove to you that has worked, if we go to back to the original screen and go to get cart link, you can see we can view the cart here for them. So they're all the items we just added with also the previous items that were previously installed into the added to the cart. So yeah, so that's pretty much it's pretty straightforward, really nice and easy to navigate around the dashboard. Again, I do iterate, this is just version 1, and if you have any features and requests that you'd like us to work on and install, please give us an email support ticket and we'll get back to you as soon as possible, as we really want to try and make this a hub for carts for customers and also B2B businesses as well, especially. Thank you guys, and really appreciate your time.